Hey, it's Sam from TopmaQ, your go-to source for gear for industry. Welcome to our quick look at our range of Havik chainsaws available here at topmac.co.nz. Whether you're maintaining your garden, cutting firewood, or felling trees in a commercial application, Havik chainsaws are designed to make your life easier. We have a great range including various types and sizes to suit different applications. From general home maintenance to lifestyle block and farm use. Remember, at any time, full pricing and specifications are available at topmac.co.nz. Links below. Havik chainsaws all feature a closed casting cylinder, ergonomic rubber starter handles, magnesium alloy crankcases, tough nylon double screen air filters, HCH bearings, and a bar guard. With raw material for the oil seals, as well as material for the carburetor imported from Japan, Havik's build quality exceeds expectations at its price point, with proven excellence in hardness and heat insulation. A tin-plated piston surface protects against cylinder wall friction, increasing overall wear resistance by 50%. First up, we have our 25cc model. This Havik chainsaw is the smallest of our range and is perfect for small tasks around the house like tree pruning and small sawing jobs. Despite its small size, it still packs a punch, equipped with a 12-inch bar. For more grunty work, Havik also offers 3 larger options, suitable for more commercial work. They come in 3 sizes: the 45cc with an 18-inch bar, the 55cc with a 20-inch bar, and the 62cc with a 22-inch bar. Keep in mind, TopmaQ also carries spare bars and chains and a variety of other spare parts for our Havik chainsaws, which makes servicing easy. We also carry high-quality golf chain bar and 2-stroke oil for your fuel mix. Alright, let's get out in the field and show you what these things can do. Alrighty guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video on our Havik chainsaw range. Make sure you get on down and check out our full range of chainsaw equipment and more available here at topmac.co.nz. I've been Sam from TopmaQ and we'll see you next time.